Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan, President and Chief Visionary Officer of the Bridge Group of Companies. Today's topic is all about home maintenance checklists and what we can do to help you save money and get everything ready for spring. So are we ready? Well, the first thing that you can do is do an exterior walkthrough of your property. First of all, go through the pathways, the walkways, the driveways, and look for any issues with your concrete or asphalt that may have cracks or broken pieces that are coming off that can cause any injury or spread more. So fortunately, asphalt is a lot more cheaper and you can patch it, but sometimes concrete must be replaced. So take a look at what needs to be done and start that checklist and write down a list of what's happening. Second of all, get those eaves troughs and downspouts and gutters all cleaned up, because if you don't, sometimes you don't want to get those critters in your home. And it could also cause the eaves troughs area where the wood is to start have mold or rot. And if there's rot in there and there's holes in there, then you can have these winged little creatures come in, and they're called termites. And if you have termites, you need to put that on your list and call a pest control person to come in and take care and exterminate those termites so they don't become a bigger problem. Okay. Another thing that you need to do is be safe. Before I tell you, do not get a ladder and climb on your roof, but you need to kind of do a visual look at your roof. You can get a binocular, it's not silly, or you can get a Samsung phone like me or any digital phone, zoom in, and look for shingles that are falling apart or missing, and if there's any metal that is broken. And then you can start adding that on your checklist and get a roofer out there to assess the damage and the replacement for a longer life roof. Also, very, very important, mosquitoes. We know about the West Nile virus, but the Zika virus has also had a comeback in the last couple of years too as well. And it's very important that if you have any sitting water anywhere in outside, to get rid of that sitting water. And of course, meshes on your patio doors and your windows should also be really good shape, no holes or rips or tears in it, to have those little buggers come into your home, and then all of a sudden, you know, you're stuck with mosquitoes in your home. So those are things that you can do to really, really maintain your home. And the air conditioning, just because if it's giving cool air, doesn't mean it's working. So make sure that every year that you're changing the filters, and you get an HVAC specialist to come out and just give it a little tune-up, just like your vehicle, and make sure that it has longevity, and you know that it's not going to cause you bigger repairs in major parts. Just make sure that you continue to maintain your air conditioning, which is also very, very, very important as well. And of course, get up in that attic, just make sure everything is good. Windows, the seals are all removed, so it can have free of air and less condensation and so forth. Those are all of the things that you can do this spring to make sure that your home is well maintained and ready for the spring and the summer weather, which is really, really important. And if you are thinking about how much this is going to cost, and you don't have enough savings and you don't want to use your credit card, well, if you're sitting on a lot of equity, there are low mortgage interest rates right now that we talked about last week, that it was subject to the coronavirus effect. We can help you guys. We can help you get low mortgage rates, borrow from your home, and get all of these things checked off of that list and help you save money as well. The Bridge Group of Companies is always the home of all of your financial needs. We're here to help you. Hashtag TBGOC. You can find us anywhere in social media. Stay tuned next week on how to bargain for a lower price in home purchasing in the spring market. So very, very, very important. And I'm so excited that we're able to help you today. And take care and see you soon.